Hi again, friends. It's Teacher Jamie and
Aria. And Unicorn.
And Unicorn and a few other friends that we have with us.
Yes.
It's time to say goodbye. It's Goodbye Circle. So we always really like this part of Goodbye Circle. So are you ready to help me?
Yes.
Let's get our alligators out. See you later, alligator. In a while, crocodile. Not so quick, little chick. Beep, 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 beep. Not so soon, baboon. Hoo, 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 hoo. See you later, alligator. In a while, crocodile. I like that part. Now we get to say the real goodbye song. Ready?
Yeah.
Aria's never done this, so can you guys sing along and help us? I sure hope you do. Goodbye, everyone. Goodbye, everyone. Goodbye, everyone. It's time to say goodbye. Bye, Aria.
Bye.
Bye, puppy.
Bye, puppy.
Bye, unicorn.
Bye, unicorn. Bye, puppy. Bye, mermaid. Bye, puppy.
And bye, all of our friends. See you next time.